Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the prerequisites: a valid Microsoft 365 or supported one-time Excel license and admin access. Once ready, save any files and close Excel so updates can apply cleanly. Make sure your device is on a stable network and power source to avoid interruptions. Now open the Office account settings to trigger update checks. This starts the process and prevents partial installs. Doing this first reduces rollback risk and ensures the update service can replace in-use components. You next run the update from File Account Update Options Update Now, which fetches the latest build automatically. While it downloads, monitor progress and let it run in the background. Downloads may pause if bandwidth is limited. Once installation begins, follow prompts for optional components and accept required restarts. If a restart is requested, complete it immediately to finalize file replacements. This step-by-step ensures new features and security fixes install fully and minimizes conflicts with running add-ins or services. You finish by verifying the installed version in File Account About Excel and then open critical workbooks to confirm behavior. Once done, re-enable any add-ins that were disabled during update and test macros or connections. If issues persist, make sure to run Office Repair from Programs and Features and check Event Viewer for installer errors to identify root causes. One key troubleshooting tip: if updates fail repeatedly, create a new Windows user profile and try the update there to isolate profile corruption as the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.